Full-stack development is essentially the convergence of a variety of tools and technologies coupled with an agile approach to develop complete end-to-end applications. A good full-stack developer should have a clear understanding of what languages and frameworks are available across the development stack and when to use them. Full-stack developers are in high demand because they can navigate both the back-end as well as the front-end code. And since they typically employ an agile approach to development, they can quickly adapt to changes in the development process. Do you want to speed up time to project development and peel away from the competition by delivering better products and faster services? Skillsoft Aspire learning journeys are designed to move people forward within their organizations. These intentionally designed courses start by providing enterprise developers, who may already be developing front-end web applications, with foundational knowledge of traditional software development and web development's key libraries and frameworks, so they can take on basic tasks and projects. From there, an enterprise developer can move into the front-end developer role that focuses more on web programming and interactive front-end development. Next up is the middle back-end developer, who employs their knowledge of full-stack development languages and frameworks and stitches the middle and back-end tiers of an application together. Eventually, if they aspire to, they can become a fully fledged full-stack developer who brings together all the insights and knowledge acquired throughout their journey by focusing on incorporating data development with a full-stack development mindset into an application. Let's take a look at what your enterprise developer to full-stack developer journey will entail. The enterprise developer track is the first step in the journey towards becoming a full-stack developer. Enterprise developers often have a strong understanding of working with languages such as HTML and CSS or JavaScript, but need to gain hands-on experience in Agile-driven software development concepts. Because of this, their skill sets are not transferable to other areas of the development stack, limiting the role they can play in the development lifecycle. Your journey will begin with the key concepts of getting started with programming methodologies and languages, as well as secure programming and software testing. It also covers mean and MERN development and how they come together to create full-stack apps. Front-end developers are typically focused on web programming and front-end development languages and frameworks. Track 2 of your journey focuses on user interaction, implementing best practices, and building and testing front-end applications. Advanced HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are also covered to lay the groundwork for moving on to the next track. The third step in becoming a full-stack developer is the middle back-end developer role, which deals with working with the middle and back-end tiers of an application. The training in this track progresses towards the final role of the full-stack developer by using Java for full-stack development, creating APIs with Python, and RESTful services for full-stack. It also explores the CI/CD pipeline, data infrastructure for full-stack development, and testing and deploying full-stack development applications. The fourth and last step to becoming a full-stack developer will bring together key knowledge areas from all of the tracks. Developers at this stage can take their understanding of full-stack development and deepen it by focusing on database development, on-premise versus cloud development, best practices, the implications of using RBDMS versus NoSQL data, and secure data development. So where will your journey take you? All of our Aspire journeys for technology and developer are created based on a proven approach to learning design, which takes advantage of multimodal learning tools. From videos to books, learners have access to a multitude of resources that'll orient them to key work functions and daily challenges. Learners can also apply concepts and manipulate code with hands-on practice labs done virtually using real equipment and applications so that each learner can practice and develop their skills without compromising their own company's systems. At the end of each track within a journey, users must demonstrate their newfound knowledge by passing a rigorous final exam. Once a journey is fully completed, learners can continue their growth and move on to another area of study. Full-stack developers can move on to the DevOps engineer, DevOps automated tester, or senior software project manager journeys at their own pace, enabling employees to continually learn, evolve, and develop their skills.